Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to display all keyboard symbol in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to display all keyboard symbol in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on start, scroll down, click on window research, click on chapter map. That is, this is list of symbol. Other way, if you want to display all keyboard symbol, so type here Windows key plus R key, type here Charmer, click on OK. Then, so guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to display all keyboard symbol in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.